guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful look. And y'all, we're dusting off an old palette, so go ahead and get your dust buddy off this palette. We're bringing another look using the Douce palette. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get right into this look. Alright my loves, we are back with another makeup tutorial using the Douce palette by Juvias. Yeah, it's a classic old school palette, but I don't want to just use all new palettes. I want y'all to dust out them old palettes that might have been just stored in the collection and forgot about, okay? So we're going to do another look using her. I already did one. I keep feeling like I did more than one, but I did one look and it should be up already. Not sure, it is up already, and I will definitely have that link down at the bottom, right along with other looks that I have done using Juvias palettes. I have a whole playlist, and that will be linked down at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get into this look. I definitely want to try out this shade right here, see what she do, see what she's going to give. All right, so the first shade I want to go ahead and dip and dab in is this beautiful purple. I'm just gonna place that right in on my crease. All right, to buff out that purple, I'm gonna take this pink shade. I need very little of that too. I'm just gonna soften up the edges. Alright, so I want to deepen up my crease because obviously this purple is a really pretty purple, but she's very soft. So I'm going to go in with that beautiful dark brown. I'm just going to take a smaller detail brush and I want to pop it in the outer. I feel like the reason I didn't go with this brown first because I didn't want it to be that, you know, dark in my crease. So I am just going to go towards the outer first, and then I want to slowly bring it across because I do want to do like a semi-cut crease look today. Alright, so this is the difference between the two. Just want to show you guys, this looks really pretty, and I like that this brown is not fully like taking over the crease. Like you can tell and still see the transition of that brown and pink fading in to my highlight. So what I'm going to do really quick off the camera, I'm going to cut my crease and then we're going to come back and fill the lid in. Alright, this crease looks really good. I didn't think it was going to really show, being that my I feel like my crease is very light, but the cut crease is showing up and doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so like I said earlier, I want to use the shade, so I think I'm just gonna put that all over the actual eyelid. I don't even know what this color reflects. It's like a silver gray. I'm gonna use this a little bit wet. It still picked up very nicely. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the eyelid. That looks really pretty. Okay, Juvias is showing up, showing out. All right, for the outer, I'm going to do a little bit of that purple. I'm gonna just dust it right on top of that silver. I'm gonna just put it right on the outer part, and it's sitting right on top of that metallic shade, so it's like standing out a little bit more than usual, which is cute. And then to fully close it out, I'm gonna take that dark brown and put it towards the outer like so. But I'm making sure that I don't cover up that light purple shade though. Oh, that looks really nice. Alright, so I'm quickly gonna do some liner and come back and finish up the rest of the face. Alright, we're back, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm doing a product review on the liquid blushes by Juvia. Y'all gonna have to wait to see, okay? I talked about it and all that other stuff, and I did some other product review on that video too from Juvia, so y'all gonna have to wait for that video. That's gonna be so exciting. I'm so here for it because the face is giving. So we're gonna continue on with the face. I'm gonna move back into the eyes. I'm gonna take a black eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna pop that right in my waterline. And then for the bottom lash line, surprisingly, I'm gonna go in with the dark brown. I feel like the purple is gonna be too light. Alright, it's time for the glue part. I am going to pop in my inner, I think the purple. Usually I'll go in with the metallic shade, but I don't know, but then again, let me see. Hold on, let me think. Let me try the matte first. I'm going in with that lavender shade that I have in my crease. I think if I put it in the inner, it's gonna bring it out a lot more. That looks really pretty. That looks really nice. Is it too dark though for the look? It's the question. I'm gonna take a little bit, hold on, let me see what this looks like before I show you guys. Okay, yeah, I put a little bit of shimmer right on top. I put a little bit of shimmer on top and I just put that right on top of this shade. All right, so the eyes are looking really nice. I do want to smoke it out just a little bit more. What did I do with my liner? I don't know, I can't find it. So we're gonna move on to the lips because my desk is a hot mess. NYX pencil. Then I'm trying out a new lipstick shade. This is from UOMA. This is part of the Bad ASS collection. And this is what she looks like, another nude color. She's a nude pale color though. And this one is called Kathleen. All right, and then I'm gonna gloss her with FENTY. That looks really nice. All right, I'll be right back, you guys. Let me put on the top to make this makeup look work. All right, so here is what the finished look is giving, honey. I'm here for this look, y'all. Ooh, bum, bum, bum. This is really good. Okay, I hope you guys like and enjoyed today's makeup look. I hope this gave you that encouragement to go ahead and get your Douce palette and dust her off and go ahead and give this look a try because it's giving. Yes, I'll probably come back and do one more look. I'm having a little bit of fun with this palette because I had this so long in my collection and I still am surprised that I didn't play with her like the way I was supposed to. So I'm coming back again. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve more looks using this palette that might have been thrown in the collection and the forgot about, neglected and stuff like that. Now bring her back out, okay? She's still giving. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Please leave your feedback down at the bottom, and of course please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so be sure to come back. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys later.